Affiliate Marketing with AI in 2026. This is how you generate passive income from scratch with zero upfront investment. First, pick your niche. The best affiliate marketing niches in 2026 are AI software tools, web hosting and SaaS products, online courses, and financial products. These have the highest commissions, often 30 to 50% recurring per sale. Second, find products to promote. Sign up for Impact.com, share a sale, or directly with companies like ConvertKit and SEMrush. Look for products paying at least $30 per sale with recurring commissions. Third, create content with AI. Use ChatGPT to write comparison articles, tool reviews, and tutorial guides. Turn those into YouTube videos using Edge TTS and free stock footage. One piece of content can live on YouTube, a blog, and social media simultaneously. Fourth, get traffic for free. YouTube search, Pinterest, and SEO are the 3 free traffic sources that compound over time. One YouTube video can generate affiliate commissions for years. Realistic timeline: your first commission in 30 to 60 days if you post consistently. $300 to $500 per month within 6 months. Over $1,000 per month after 1 year. The key insight is that AI dramatically reduces the time cost of creating content. What used to take 8 hours now takes 45 minutes. That means you can create 3 to 4 times more content in the same time, which directly multiplies your affiliate income. Subscribe for the weekly breakdown of exactly which affiliate programs I'm using and what's converting.